Alright, so this is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. I'm going to show you guys how to insert the battery in it. When you first get it, the batteries are not inside of it, so you've got to put them in there and then charge it. So if you look at the front of the camera here with the lens, and you go to the left side, there's a door here. You've got to get your finger right in there. See how my nail's sticking in there? Then I put my finger here and push, and it releases and it opens up. And there is the spot where you put the battery. If you notice, the contacts are on the top left side of it. So when you insert the battery, you want this side facing those contacts. So we're going to slide it in like this, push it down, and that's basically it. And that's how you get it in there. And then you close it just like this. Bam, done. Bob's your uncle. Now, when you first get it, you may want to charge it. So let's go ahead and pop it open. When you do that, you're going to see that there's a little charge port here. You're going to need a USB-C, which I have. And we're just going to plug it in and let it sit for a couple hours. Just like that. Bam, done. And now all we got to do is let it charge up. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.